You have a long code.
Mm-hmm.
So, okay, you want to enlarge your program and play it? Show us what it
Well,
does.
so, 1 second. So, so you play on a key, you play on the computer. It's just like a regular maze,
Okay.
and that's the only problem. That it's just like when I touch it, it just adds like more points that I wanted it to put on, like have. That's the only problem it has.
Very good. So the goal is to collect all of the food.
Yeah, you're supposed to get all of them, but I don't know how to like I was going to add something like when you collect it, it'll just disappear.
Right.
But your goal is to get to that apple, and I just need to find my way there.
It's a maze, so it is a little tough.
No. And come on. Okay. And
Good.
then it'll be, so I have a couple other mazes. I have like 7. Yeah.
Nice.
7 different ones. And this so this code I put in every other sprite except the cat and the maze and the apple.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And that's pretty much it.
Okay.
I won't put any code in the backdrop.
So, one thing that I would suggest is if you look back into our several of our projects, we did like a point system code, which you could follow to improve your points. On your code that I see, it seems to me that every time you keep touching the food, your point will keep going up.
Yeah.
But if you just look back into our code, you can implement that same code to your program. But overall, I think it's great. It looks very fun. And one more thing also, um, you could utilize your looks category, which if you go into that category, you can use the block called next backdrop. So every time you complete a level, you're able to switch to the next backdrop and, more like a level system, level 1, level 2, level 3. You could utilize that to make the game even more harder. But overall,
This
yes.
one? Okay.
So as you can see right there, you also have next backdrop right under that one. So one way to code that is if touching green doorway, go to next backdrop. Do you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
But I think you have a really cool idea. I have a similar program like that, except it's not a maze. It's more like a walkthrough adventure. But good job.
Okay, thank you.